Well, it's the coldest day so far in 2008, of course. It's minus 13 out right now. A beautiful sunny morning. It was down to minus 15 Celsius last night. So let's see if the great diesel van is going to start. As you see, there's no foot tracks in the snow that are fresh. It's not plugged in. The van has 447,000 kilometers. The engine has 330,000 kilometers from a 92 Jetta. So, I think it's going to start. First thing to start this thing is my lawnmower speed control handle is the injector timing advance for cold start. You push it down. Ignition. Glow plug. Probably got to hold that for about 15 or 20 seconds. It's manual.
Just in case you're interested, it's now opened up. You may have to call though. Not a whole lot of information on the internet as of yet. They're still saying it's closed, but if you call the North London Optimist Community Center.
I left the door open so there's lots of light to film. Okay, release the glow plug. Oops. And she's running. I did have it in gear, so anyways. Simple as that. I bet you there's no smoke either. And just like I said, no smoke. That's pretty good for an old diesel. I love this machine. I can afford to drive anything I want, but I'm so cheap I love my diesel van. Now let's see what the old gasser does. She hasn't been running in 2 weeks. It's a 3-liter Mitsubishi motor. Alrighty. Virgin snow we're crossing here. It's dark in here. Lots of snow. Tunage. Just as fast as a diesel. I love it when my gas engines are so well tuned they start fast as diesels in the cold. Okay. Let's try an old Saturn. Double overhead cam. Oh, this car is not mine. It's a neighbor's car. Let's see. 151,870 kilometers. Uh-oh. First try. Second try. What the fuck? The compression doesn't even sound right. Huh? This thing's supposed to run. I got my foot on the floor now. Oh, really? There wasn't supposed to be anything wrong with this car. It was here for a broken power window. The compression doesn't even sound right. Uh-oh. Well, fuck General Motors and their Saturns. That thing's a piece of shit.